contestant number 7. What do you expect to gain by participating in this pageant? Again, what do you expect to gain by participating in this pageant?
Thank you for the question. Good evening po. Siyempre, as a candidate, I expect that I will be the winner. Pero kung hindi man ako papalala ngayong gabi, at least nagawa ko yung dapat kong gawin and binigay ko lahat ng best ko para magawa ko ang mga kailangan. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, contestant number 7.
Thank you very much. Acknowledge contestant number 8. How are you? I'm excited and a little nervous. It's okay. They all are.
Pare-pareho sila ng nararamdaman.
We all are.
Yes, we are.
Okay, the question please.
Okay. What do you want to prove in life? Why? Again, let me repeat the question. What do you want to prove in life and why?
I want to prove in life that whatever challenge that God will give me, I know that I can surpass them because I know that I have faith in God and I know that my family and my relatives, my friends are here to support me. I know that they are always ready no matter what happens. And whatever happens, I know that God is always there. God is always there for me. Thank you. Hello. Thank you very much.
So next, let us call on contestant number 9.
Contestant number 9. Pili ka ng question and hand it to Dre. How are you, contestant number 9? I feel good. Okay, she feels good.
Okay, contestant number 9, here's your question. What is your idea of a good life? Again, what is your idea of a good life?
Thank you for that wonderful question. First of all, I want to greet everybody. Good evening. A good life is having your family around. Be united and having cooperation to fulfill your happiness and responsibility without frightened or scared, without foolishness, just love, compassion, and of course, strength that should be gained from them. Thank you.
Next,
Contestant number 10.
to change about yourself and why?
First of all, there's nothing to myself that I would like to change. I like everything about myself. Because every day that I make mistakes, I know to myself I will do better than what I am yesterday. Thank you. How are you? I'm nervous and excited. Hi.
Ayun, nervous and excited. Okay. How will you pursue your